Open Clipchamp. Click on Create a new video. Click Import Media. Choose the file or files you want to edit. Place mouse on the video, click plus to add the video, one by one. Video 1 added. Click on the video to resize it. Check out the many features on the extreme left panel. The second video has been added. To delete parts of unwanted segments, move the vertical line to the start of the segment, then click on the scissor icon. The video is cut, then click the delete icon. To delete a middle segment, bring vertical line to start of segment. Click scissors. Bring line to end of segment. Click scissors. Highlight unwanted segment. Click delete. Then click on the gap icon to bridge the video. Check extreme right panel for extra features for volume, filters, effect, speed, etc. Click on plus between two videos to add transition. Choose the type you want to use from the panel that pops up. Ensure cursor is at start of segment to add text. From left panel, click T, text. Type in text. From the right panel, you can choose your font, text size, color, layout, etc. Add any other features you may desire. Play around. You can always reverse.
Yeah.